Hello team, today's challenge is sleep debt, where we're given a series of sleep times for each night leading up to tonight's, and we need to calculate how much sleep debt we're in. Sleep debt is a funny topic. If you want to know more about that, check out Why We Sleep by Matthew Walker, which is one that I have somewhere right about here on the bookshelf here. So very good read. But for this challenge, the challenge is to do some math, right? That's the whole thing. Sleep debt or anything else, we get this value. We want to calculate a some math based on that. Okay. For that, we go over here. We're going to set up a new variable called debt, and that's going to be off of hours. If I could type hours slept, it's still early for me. Right here, reduce, and of course, all the same stuff. So accumulator and current, and sending it into our callback. Our initial value, what they want here is they want us to calculate the debt across these times, but, or maybe I should say, and they want us to add in tonight's value as well for a total time that we need to sleep, which is in the first case 20 hours. That's an impossible time, but they do want to include this value. So we need to do that. And for that, I would put that right as target hours. Okay, so right here, target hours. Excellent. Okay. Now we do the math. And the math looks like this. We return the accumulator plus what? Well, it's the accumulator plus target hours minus, that's a minus, not an equals, the current value, right? So we're doing the math on here and then adding it to the accumulator. I don't think we actually need the parentheses here, but I like doing it because it makes it a little bit more clear in my mind, right? Keeping it clean. Now, once we have this, we get a total time. The challenge here is that this total time, this debt, could be negative, and we aren't allowed to have negative values. If this comes out negative, we want to return 0, right? That's the whole thing. So down here, we could do a ternary to compare our debt to 0, or we could just use Math.max. And in this case, we send in the debt and a 0, at which point it works, okay? This is slightly slower than using a ternary. So if you need maximum performance, you do want to switch to that. But for the clarity of language here, it gets the job done, okay? And this is the whole challenge today. We did some math based on a target and a series of numbers, right? And then based on if that was positive or negative, we sent it out the door, right? That's the whole challenge. Again, not every solution, just hopefully one good solution. If you found others, or you want to show me others, or you want to talk about what I did here, hit me up in those comments. Otherwise, today this has been Sleep Debt, and I will see you tomorrow.